in our pan and then added salt and baking soda to it, and some additional foil as well to break some of that corrosion layer, to just really get good contact between the solution and the foil and the silver. And then just dipping in, and we dipped this with two different strengths of baking soda in here. We found it came off pretty easily, depending on the level of corrosiveness. It wasn't as badly tarnished on the inside as it was on the outside, so you don't have the same results here. We also found that when we had this one dunked in and we used our little spoon to push some foil around, that we could just watch the tarnish come off, almost as though we were polishing it with the foil, because it was the contact between the solution and the foil on the silver that was really pulling off that lovely tarnish. And we threw away all the foil, but our foil had the tarnish, right? No, that one never went.
Foil was very tarnished.
The foil was very tarnished, and the solution got a yellowish, brownish. Yeah, you can still see something. Good.
There's a tarnish line that goes around here like this, where the water was. Now, what we did find out, what we found out through Tom's help, where is it?
He's
not
taking.
here. What we did first, we took the spoon or the plate and we just dipped it in like this. He said, no, you have to ground it pretty much, and that way you'll transfer the electrons. So once we did that, you could see right away the tarnish was being removed. And then some of the plating would not come off later on in the experiment, so we did the emerald lagasse bamming with the baking soda, and we didn't throw just a little bit in. We threw a lot in, and then more H2S gas was being released, and it really smelled like rotten eggs over here for a little bit.
I was waiting for the odor.
Right, right. So we knew that the reduction was taking place and the oxidation was being transferred. So
And here is the
here's
foil.
the-
You can see the oxidation transferred onto the foil versus on our silver-plated bowl. And yes,
we don't know if this is going to get anybody graduate school credit, but if you have a grandma that wants to pay for it.
And we think that we were seeing more a thinner layer of plate on this, because we could see a clear line, but it just looked worse afterwards. So we think the plating maybe wasn't very thick on this, and there was a lot of copper showing for it. Because this is a really heavy piece, so it feels like it has something in it weighting it.